Hello everyone. In this particular video, our focus will be on solving a question that is related with coordinate geometry as well as trigonometry. Now let's get started. Let me read the question. The question says, in the diagram, triangle ABC, that is ABC, is right angled and D is the midpoint of BC. Now, first of all, let me mark this right angle triangle over here, and D is the midpoint of BC or CB. That means BD has the same length as DC. It is also evident from this line. Now, what else is there? Let's read the question further. Angle DAC is 30 degrees and BAD is x degrees. So there is a 30 degree over here, there is an x degree over here. Denoting the length of AD by L. So the length of AD is denoted by the symbol L. Express each of AC and BC. This is AC. This whole thing is BC exactly in terms of L, and show that AB, that is the hypotenuse of the big right angle triangle, is half L multiplying with root 7. Now, first of all, we have to keep in mind that there are two right angle triangles. The first right angle triangle is which one? That is this one, which is A, B and C. That is triangle which is right angled. Similarly, we have the other one, that is A, D and C. This is also right angled. So let me focus on this one, which I'm highlighting right now. And the angle over here is 30 degrees. So let me draw it out. So we have ADC. So let me grab a straight edge and let me draw this thing, a right angle triangle like this. And let me label it. So this is A and this is D and this is C and this is L. And this angle is 30 degrees. Now, I'm interested in finding AC. I'm interested in finding DC. Now, from the perspective of 30 degrees, this is the opposite side. From the perspective of 30 degrees, this is the adjacent side. And this angle is 90 degrees, so L is the hypotenuse. Now, the question is, can I calculate AC? The answer is yes. Cosine of 30 degrees is AC divided by L. We have to use the exact trig ratio. Cosine of 30 is root 3 over 2. That is AC over L. Therefore, let's make AC the subject. That is root 3 over 2 multiplying with L. Let's draw a box so that we can highlight this answer. Similarly, if I want to calculate this thing, let me scroll it down. That is DC over here. So I'll write sine of 30 degrees is equals to DC over L. Sine of 30 is half, DC over L is written. Let's make DC the subject, that is half L. That is the answer for DC. Now let me scroll up and have a look. We are interested in finding AC, that's found, and BC exactly in terms of L. Now, what does exactly means? That means the third form, and show that AB is this. But wait a minute. I have only found CD till now. I know that D is the midpoint of BC. So whatever is the length of CD, that is the length of DB. So let me write it again. So now we know that DC is half L. Similarly, DB is also half L. Therefore, in other words, BC is DC plus DB, which is half L plus half L, which adds up to L. So we have found what is BC. Let's scroll up and have a look at the diagram. Now AC is found, BC is found. We need to find what is AB. So we cannot use this angle because x is unknown. So this is the base, this is the height. I can now use Pythagoras theorem. So therefore, let me write the things again. We have AC, which is root 3 over 2L. We have BC, which is L. Now, if I use Pythagoras theorem, so therefore I'll write AB, the whole thing square, equals to AC, the whole thing square, plus BC, the whole thing square. Therefore, this is root 3 over 2L, the whole thing square. This is L, the whole thing square. We have to play around with indices and fractions. Root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4, L square is L square, and this is also L square. Let's take L square common out, and this is 3/4 plus 1. Again, we are dealing with the very basics of maths. That is L square, 3/4 plus 4/4. I have written 1 as 4/4. So therefore, this is L square, 7 over 4. This is equaling AB whole square. Therefore, if I make AB the subject, that the square root of L square, 7 over 4. Now, can I take the square root of L square? Yes, it will come out to be L. Can I take the square root of 4? Yes. So we are left with L, we are left with 2, and we have a square root 7 on the inside. That is how AB is found. That means in this question till now, what have I done? I have used the concept of right angle triangle in this small one. I found the base using cosine. I found the opposite using sine. I found the complete length using the concept of midpoint. Then I applied Pythagoras theorem and I found AB. So, basic knowledge of trigonometry has been used till now. Now let's look at the last part. Show that x equals to tangent inverse 2 over root 3 minus 30. Now, how will I work it out? This is x plus 30 degrees. The whole angle is x plus 30. For x plus 30, BC is the height and AC is the base. Now keep this in mind. So now if I work out part B, I'll say that this is a right angle triangle. This angle over here is x plus 30 degrees. This length is L and this length is root 3 over 2L, and this is a 90-degree angle. So therefore I'll write tangent of x plus 30 degrees is opposite divided by adjacent, that is L divided by root 3 over 2L. This is L multiplying with 2 and root 3L goes down. Now what gets cancelled off? The L and the L gets cancelled off. And then we have tangent bracket x plus 30 degrees is equals to 2 over root 3. Now if I want to make x plus 30 the subject, I'll write x plus 30 degrees is equals to tangent inverse of, I forgot the root, my bad, that is 2 over root 3. Therefore, x equals to tangent inverse of 2 over root 3 minus 30 degrees, and that is how this part is done. Now let's check the answer. Our answer looks super perfect, except for the fact that the examiner has made the small mistake of not putting in the degree sign, which I have just put in. So that's how this question related with trig and related with coordinate geometry is completed in a short time. Hope you enjoyed it.